Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sending money through Cash App is one of the fastest and easiest ways to pay friends, family, or anyone you trust. Whether you're splitting a bill, paying someone back, or sending support, the process only takes a few simple steps. To begin, open Cash App on your smartphone. Once the app loads, you'll immediately see the main screen with a number keypad in the center. This is where you enter the amount of money you want to send. Carefully type in the exact amount and double-check it before moving forward to avoid mistakes. After entering the amount, tap the Pay button. The app will then ask you to enter the recipient's details. You can send money using their hashtag phone number or email address that is linked to their Cash App account. Make sure the information is correct, because once a payment is sent, it can be difficult to reverse unless the recipient refunds it. Before confirming the payment, you'll also have the option to add a short note describing what the payment is for. This step is optional, but it can be helpful for keeping track of your transactions, especially if you frequently send money. Next, tap Pay again to confirm. If you have multiple payment methods linked, such as a debit card or bank account, you can choose which one to use. Some payments may come directly from your Cash App balance if you already have funds available. Once confirmed, the money is typically transferred instantly. You'll receive a confirmation notification, and the transaction will appear in your activity history within the app. The recipient will also get a notification letting them know they've received the payment. For security, always verify the recipient's information before sending money. Cash App transactions are usually immediate, so double-checking details helps prevent sending money to the wrong person. It's also a good idea to enable security features like a PN or fingerprint lock to protect your account. And that's it. Sending money on Cash App takes less than a minute once you're familiar with the process. It's quick, convenient, and designed to make digital payments simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech tutorials. That's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well.